I found an easy way to store my magazine box kits. Come on in and let me show you how.
Hello everybody, this is Julia Laird with Senior Susie Stamps, and I am really thrilled that you came to join me today. I have spent the last 10 days or so kind of redoing my studio. I moved it last fall before Christmas cards, and I've just been kind of making do with finding things as best I could. But now I've gotten things pretty much organized, and so I wanted to get the final little nitpicky things put away. And I stumbled across these magazines, and some of the boxes had kind of disintegrated a little bit. So I came up with a storage idea that I wanted to share with you because it makes them easy for me. When I go camping, lots of times I'll like to take one of these because it has pretty much everything in it that you might need for a little boredom fighting project. And so let's get started, and I'll show you what I do. This one, now you know these are most of them from England, and they have stamps and usually some die cuts with them, and typically there's a box, but I couldn't find the box. So what I've done with this one is to make a copy on my little copier on my computer printer of the front. What I usually normally use are some heavy-duty sheet protectors. Now these are two different ones. One is from Avery, and the other one is just a generic. It came from Office Depot. But what I want you to look at is this corner up here, and I hope you can see that. See how this one has kind of an angled off corner than this one? When you're putting things in that are slightly thick, like a magazine, for example, these corners are very helpful when they're cut off like that. You can just slip the magazine down in there very, very easily. And what I normally do is to put my box cover, and I cut it down to size. I'll put it in on one sleeve along with all of the things that go with it. And then I'll put this in a notebook together like that. So let me show you my notebook so you see what I mean. So this was the box and all the little papers and inserts, and then this is the magazine that goes with that. And the same way here, this is the box front, and you can see I've just cut that box off right there like that. And then all of the stamps and the dies, and this one had a stencil. Some of them have embossing folders in them. They're really a nice complete kit, especially if you want to take it on a little camping trip or for a weekend away. You can take your little crop bag with you and your magazine. It has paper in it, and there's all kinds of fun stuff in these, and they're good to go. And I'm going to finish getting these put away, and they'll be on the shelf waiting for me, and I'll be able to find everything. Oh, see this one? It was all kind of falling apart in a big mess, but I cut the top off it. This is a little card that I made out of this kit, and I happen to have it stored in there also for some reason. I don't know why. But I'm going to fix it the same way. It only takes about a second to do. I have a box full of these little heavy-duty sheet protectors here, and they work wonderfully for this project for storage. Unfortunately, these boxes just don't hold up. But you know, they've had kind of a hard life. They've come to the United States from England, and then they've been in some storage situation to sell. And so you can see that nice stamp I used there. So you can't really blame these little boxes. They've held up the best they could. But now they're making a great front for my little storage sleeve. And the magazine goes right down in the sister sheet protector. And there they are, both of them together, just waiting to be pulled and used. And I'll probably put this right down in there with it. There we go. Yay! Got 2 more to do and I'm done. So I hope this helps you with a little storage idea, and I hope you buy these if you see them that are things that you are interested in. This one's got an embossing folder, and I thought that would be nice to use for July 4th cards, and I'm getting ready to work on them. There's also some fireworks stamps in there, so I'll keep this one out and use it this next week. This is Julia. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.